Training session video presentation. In this organization, teamwork is essential. Whether you are part of a small group or a large department, your ability to communicate clearly and support one another and contribute to shared goals make it a big difference in overall performance. Through this session, we will look at what effective teamwork looks like, why it's matter, and how each you can take active steps to build a strong, positive working in relationship. So basically, the unit of competencies is called work and team environment. So this unit teach us how to work well in another people sa workplace. Kapag sinabing work in a team environment, ibig sabihin kailangan marunong tayong makipag-communicate, makipag-cooperate at makipagtulungan sa mga ka-team natin para ma-achieve yung mga common goals. Kasama na rin dito yung mga pagrespeto sa bawat isa, pakikinig sa mga idea ng iba at pag-contribute ng best effort natin. Kapag naging successful yung buong team, so example, sa trabaho nyo, in nail care, sa manicure or pedicure o ano pa yan, kapag may suggestion ang worksmate nyo, kailangan nyo itong intindihin at respetuhin. So, di ba? So, in this team or presentation, mas malalaman natin kung ano yung mga example ng good teamworks at kung paano natin ito magagamit sa toong work situation. Pag-uusapan natin kung bakit mahalaga ang teamwork hindi lang para sa company, pero para na rin sa growth natin bilang sa future workers. Diba? So by the end of this, sana mas maiintindihan natin kung paano maging responsible of effective teamwork members. Kasi teamwork is one of the most important skills na kailangan sa kahit anong trabaho. Go? So let's have a prayer test with Mr. Carlo, with the prayer.
Really, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. So, dear Lord, thank you for this day. I hope we learn something about study. Very Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Not very much.
So before we start our discussion, can you give some recap that what we discussed? So how about you say what are why? So yesterday we talked about preparing on the we needed proper measurement and accurate graphic will put when baking a certain degree ay certain inches. Tama! So how about you, Carlo?
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat the question po? Okay. So, yesterday we talked about the baking the dough, which is percent it means I learned about baking dough to mixing and to prepare um, the dough with the ingredients.
Tama! So, yeah. So, for today everyone, for today I will discussing the only the working in the team environment. So, I have a question. What comes to your mind when you hear the word what? Team. 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 How about you,
for me, the first is make sure that we have a right attitude with um, doing our best. I mean, when when it comes to I so yeah, no, so for me, when it comes to your when it comes to our team, they need to ensure that we have a right no, yes po. internal reference because they need to follow the instruction first para ma-mention natin yung safety and yung protocol while we perform during our practices.
Tama. Talagang napaka-importante na ini-enroll kapag galing sa trabaho. Diba? So, thank you class. That's all. And also, before you, I have a assessment. Ano ang natutunan mo din sa discussion na ito?
So for me, this discussion po I learned about something to finalize and to prepare and to serve, like, I mean to we need to important to follow the instruction before using and after um using and after medication. For example, in nail salon, we need to follow the step-by-step procedure to using a yung paggamit ng mga um, paggamit ng mga utensil sa pag-nails because I know that um, I know that we have a we have a um, as as a as a um, staff in salon, they need to protect the customer um, to nail polish. Yeah.
Thank you. Let's have an assessment. Maybe you know na when ako ang lalaki and matutunan nyo na, so kailangan pa rin natin malaman kung talagang seryoso nyo ang